And you must know who you are. This is the most important. Let me tell you, you must know who you are. When I went to this room, there was no faucet in the toilet so to wash your bottom. I thought this must be the highest, because even in the American 7-star hotels, you don't have a faucet. So you will search for it. But at least they have a paper. You don't know about that? An American came to Madras and he was very fond of Madras curries. So he took his wife and went to one of the RR restaurants. In Chennai, RR restaurants are Andhra restaurants. And there, if X is the spicy level of Madras curry, 3X is the spicy level of Andhra curry. So he ordered for chili chicken. And he was tasting it. His wife said, "My God, I can't touch it, honey. It's so hot." No, it's very good. Give it to me. He had her share also. So he finished the whole lot. Nothing happened. He went and they slept. And next morning, he was in the toilet, shouting at his wife, "Honey, now I know why the Indians use water for ablution. If they were to use paper like us, it would catch fire." Anyway, then I didn't know what to do. This hotel was so sophisticated, they didn't have a mug, they didn't have a bucket. And all that they had was a little glass for drinking water. So I tried to fill water in that and spill it. It spills on the side. So I did a research. I ordered for a bottle of mineral water, full bottle of mineral water. Stored it in my heating bowl, that tea maker, and used this. And I tell you, it's so effective. So it took them about 12 hours to fix up the faucet. Now it's fixed. Then the television was not running if you wanted to see something. Then I said, the television doesn't run. I am from a village, so I don't know how to put it. So I called the man. He said, "Yeah, it's very easy. Ammayega, aya, kuch nahi hua." Then he said, "I'll send the IT man." This morning, the IT man come. It was not working. Then ultimately somebody came just now when Ankit was there, and he started my television set. But I again thank God, because I had complete rest. Otherwise, I would have been seeing something, unnecessary things in the television and wasting my time. So life is like that. Life is to be taken as it comes. And you must know who you are. This is the most important. Let me tell you, you must know who you are, what your abilities are, and what you are. And never look up, look down. I tell people to be happy you look down. If you look up, now if I look up, say, I have one shirt. And if I look at Prabodh, he has got so many shirts. Since yesterday, the third shirt I am seeing. I am in the same shirt. So now if I want 3 shirts in 12 hours, I must buy more shirts. Misery for me. Now instead, when I go out, I see that man on the road, he has no shirt at all. I am so happy. I have a good shirt. I have other shirts at home. I am so happy. So to be happy, look down and don't look up, because there's a nice saying in our language, "Gudda ke gudda adda." If you look at one hill, there is a bigger hill, there's a bigger hill, and there's a mountain. And the mountain, there is something else. So never look up, but look down. You're always happy, because you are a lot. I saw these things doing rounds in the internet one day. He said, if you have 1,000 rupees in your pocket and 1 lakh of rupees in your bank balance, you are in the top 100 people in this world or something like that. So that makes you so happy. Otherwise you think, who am I compared to this fellow Mukesh Ambani? He is presenting his wife a 437 crores small plane for a birthday. Can you believe that? And this has a bathroom, a bedroom, a sitting room, a drawing room, and all kinds of things. And 127 crores, 100-story house where you can't see. When Nelson Rockefeller had depression in 1952, because he made so much money, pulverized everybody in Texas, and made money from all other oil people, then he had a house, huge car. And then he was depressed so much that he was not sleeping at all, rolling in bed the whole night. No psychiatrist could help him, because he didn't come to Nagpur. So nobody could help him. So ultimately what happened was, one day he didn't sleep a wink. So he went to his lawyer the next day. The lawyer told him, "Why don't you do some charity?" That was in 1952, $500 million was big money. And he gave it as charity, as Rockefeller Foundation. And Rockefeller improved, died at the age of 89. So it is in giving that you get. And that is the philosophy in life. You may say, "Oh, I am not Rockefeller, I am not Ambani. How can I give?" No. Can't you give 1 paisa from your 1 rupee? You don't lose nothing. Okay, you can't give that. Can't you give a smile? Because you may need a smile in the evening when you're tired. So give a smile whenever you meet.